that will take us to Radha Govinda. As much because Mahaprabhu is Radharani, in the mood of Radha, Radha Bhav, Radha Krishna both. Mahaprabhu is Radha and Krishna both. If you worship Mahaprabhu, then both is there. But still, we worship Radha Krishna and Mahaprabhu because to show the glories of all three. Mahaprabhu come and teaching us. So in Vrindavan you see only Radha Krishna, no Radha Krishna, no Mahaprabhu. Because Mahaprabhu introduced that. Why Rup Sanatan not did? But that Seva left for Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He put it Radha Krishna and combined for Mahaprabhu, right? So Guru Maharaj slok, or slok in Prapanna Jivanamrita, the slok is Guru Rupam Haring Gaurang Radha Ruchir Chavritam Nittang Nomi Navaddipe Nama Kirtananattani. Guru Rupam Haring. Today Hari come as Guru. Guru Rupam Haring Gaurang. Who is that? He is Gaura. Guru Rupam Haring Gaurang. Radha Ruchir Chavritam. He came with the mood of Radharani. Radha Ruchir Chavritam. Nittang Nomi Navaddipe. He is in Navadip eternally. I am giving my offices saying Nittane. Nama Kirtana Nattane. Who is doing? Nam Kirtan and dancing. Guru Maharaj composed this slok. Very nice. In Prapanna Jivanamrita, maybe fourth slok number 4. First, second, third, fourth. Very nice. You have to memorize. Guru Rupam Haring Gaurang Radha Ruchir Chavritam Nittang Nomi Navaddipe Namo Kirtana Nattarai. So worshipping Gaura is everything. But Mahaprabhu introduced, Mahaprabhu manifested Vrindavan. So he not told put my deity, right? Mahaprabhu not, because people don't know Radha Krishna. Before they not understood the real mood of Radha Krishna. They thinking Radha Krishna is like mundane figure. Before, so Mahaprabhu came, because sometimes dark period coming in Vaishnava society also, Vaishnava world also dark period coming. So dark period came several times before Mahaprabhu. Dark period came. So Vrindavan Thakur, Advaita Acharya crying. Oh, this dark period. Nobody know Krishna. Nobody worshiping demigods, Kali, Durga, Manasas. So please come and give the right direction. So Mahaprabhu came to give direction as a guru. Hari came as guru, sadhu. Sadhu Pava Kashta Bada Jivere Janiya Sadhu Guru Rupe Krishna Aila Nodiya. It's very difficult to know a sadhu, to identify a sadhu. Who is sadhu? We don't know. So many sadhu, right? In India you will get many sadhu. In Himalaya you go, big sadhu, big jota. Kumbh Mela you go, I not go Kumbh Mela. I not Kumbh Mela. You get so many sadhu. I went to Kumbh Mela. There is a camp. Madhav Maharaj not given camp. We distribute books of Mahaprabhu. ISKCON we have a big camp and free prasadam. Millions of people take prasadam. To distribute Mahaprabhu we go Kumbh Mela. Otherwise we not go. So yogi, almost 99% yogi is there. Karmi is there. Jnani is there. No bhakta. But Gaura Dham and Vrindavan Dham is a dham of Bhakta Dham, right? Nowhere in the world you see like Vrindavan and Navadip. Navadip also Gupta, hidden Vrindavan. Hidden. Okay, we go and speak in there. Navadip is hidden. Outwardly looks some dirty, this is hidden. Channa. Mahaprabhu is hidden. He is Bhagavan but hidden. He says, I am Sadhu. So, Mahaprabhu came to teach us who is sadhu. So he himself becomes sadhu. When Bhagavan becomes sadhu, he's the best sadhu, right? So who is sadhu to us? Who is following really Mahaprabhu? They are only sadhu. All maybe big yogi sadhu, karmi sadhu, jnani sadhu. They will not give the Krishna prem. They give something. Like so many Acharya Maharaj told other day, Ramanuja Acharya, Madhvacharya, Nimbarko, they given, but they not given complete, they not given Krishna prem. Ramanuja Acharya, South India, we must go and see how nice they are doing. Their puja, we are not doing like that. With mantra. Always they use mantra to do puja. If you go there, they do nice Sanskrit, very Sanskrit pronunciation, nice. But what Bhaktivinoda Thakur given? More than 5, they given Krishna prema. They are not given Krishna prema. They given something.
Vishnu Prema.
Huh?
Vishnu Prema.
Vishnu prema. Mahaprabhu therefore went to South India, like all Lakshmi Narayan devotee, Nishinga devotee. Said, no, let's go Vrindavan, become Krishna devotee, right? Like Venkat Bhatta, right? Mahaprabhu did that. He make all South Krishna Bhakta, like Venkat Bhatta, Gopal Bhatta. They are, so Mahaprabhu's contribution is the highest, super highest. And then Rup Sanatan followed that. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Prabhupada followed to distribute Krishna prem. It is above all. Therefore, in Shyamananda Mandir in Vrindavan, they written openly Bengali, we are 5th Sampradaya. We are not 4th Sampradaya. We are 5th Sampradaya. In Shamsundar temple in Vrindavan, a big banner saying we are 5th Sampradaya. Mahaprabhu, Gaudiya Sampradaya. Or normally we know 4th Sampradaya, right? Everybody 4th Sampradaya. No. Shyamananda. So that 5th Sampradaya means Krishna Prem Sampradaya. For giving Krishna Prem. Okay, let's go. We shall hear in Jagannath Das Babaji, Siddhapit, Jagannath Babaji. Many today are last. And then Madhavendra Puri, this another day, here Madhavendra Gaur Dadashi, very auspicious day today. Okay. So we go there. Nearby, only 5 minutes walking. Go, Biman, hey, Kirtan.